Ano nga daw bang company yung pinagtatrabahuhan ko as a freelancer and virtual assistant? So hello guys, good day. I am Ma'am si Johnny. I inspire moms to try freelancing, grow their business, and balance life with a purpose. So ano nga daw ba yung company kung saan ako nagtatrabaho as freelancer and VA? The answer is wala po. Yes po, tama kayo nang narinig. Wala po akong company na pinagtatrabahuhan because yung client ko po is a small business owner abroad. Kung tinatanong nyo kung ano yung company or you are referring for agency, masasabi ko lang po, hindi ko pa talaga na-try mag-agency sa 6 years experience ko as a freelancer. Lagi pong direct to client yung nakukuha ko na work sa freelancing. I don't know, parang hindi lang kasi ako ganun ka-comfortable na magtrabaho under agency because mas prefer ko na mas hawak ko yung oras ko. Kasi, yun nga, I'm a mother of two and meron din akong small business. So, kung mag-under ako agency and someone will instruct me to ganito, to ganyan. So, maybe hindi talaga siya mag-work. So, ayoko namang i-waste yung time nila, ayoko rin namang i-waste yung time ko, di ba? So, ayun, direct client po ang laging-lagi kong kinukuha talaga na client. And sa awa naman ng Diyos, sa 6 years naman, every now and then nakakakuha tayo ng client, direct client. So, gusto niyo pa ng ganitong mga stories or kwentuhan, follow me for more. Salamat!